Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to sign out of your Google account on a computer or laptop. This can be done on either a Windows laptop or a Mac as well. The process is exactly the same. And if you find this video helpful today, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So if we open up our Google browser, and it doesn't necessarily matter what page you're on, you can do this if you're on like Google or if you're on, I don't know, Facebook or YouTube, it doesn't matter too much. And what you need to do is click up here in the top right hand corner. You'll see I'm signed into my Digital Tutor account. And all I'm going to do is click the three dots here next to my profile icon. And we're just going to come down and click onto settings. And once that's loaded up, you'll see this first option here at the top is a little down arrow. If you go ahead and give that a click, and you'll see the third option down, it says sign out. And all you got to do is give that a click. And you'll see that's now signed me out of the account, and you can see the profile icon up here has changed. So I hope you found that helpful. If it did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the growth of the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description below where you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.